Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. I am Sadanand Parashar from Civil Engineering Department, subject Design of Concrete Structure, lecture number 7, topic name Analysis of Singly Reinforced Rectangular Beam Section for Flexure. Analysis and design of singly reinforced beam by working stress method. Permissible stresses in concrete. The permissible stresses of concrete in direct tension is denoted by sigma st. The value of sigma st for member in direct tension for different grades of concrete are given in clause B 2.1.1 of IS 456 Indian Standard 456 2000. However, for members in tension, full tension is to be taken by the reinforced alone. So, full tension is taken by the reinforced only. The actual tensile stress of concrete FST in such members shall not exceed the respective permissible values of sigma st to prevent any crack. Table 13.1 in 456 2000 presents the values of sigma st for selective grades of concrete. Sigma st for values are different for different grade of concrete like M20, M25, M30, M35, M40 as a ready reference. It may be worth nothing that the factor of safety of concrete in direct tension is from 8.5 to 9.5. The permissible stresses of concrete in bending compression, which is denoted by sigma CBC, in direct compression sigma CC, and the average bond for plain bars in tension, it is denoted by tau BD, are given in table 21 of code IS Indian Standard 456 2000 for different grades of concrete. As a ready reference, the factor of safety of concrete in bending compression, direct compression, and average bond for plain bars are 3, 4 and from 25 to 35 respectively. For plain bars in compression, the values of average bond stress are obtained by increasing the respective values in tension by 25% as given in the note of table 21 of IS Indian Standard 456 2000. This means that for plain bars in compression, which value select from the table, which increase 25%, suppose values are 4, then 25% of 4 is 1, so 1 increase, then the values is 5. For deformed bar, the values of table 21, which is in code IS 456-2000, are to be increased by 60% as stipulated in clause B 2.1.2 of IS 456, Indian Standard 456-2000. These are the two conditions. One condition for in compression for plain bars, and second condition for deformed bars. In compression plain bars 25% increase, and in deformed bar 60% increase. These are the values of sigma ST, sigma CBC, sigma CC and tau BD for different grades of concrete. For M20 grade of concrete, direct tension sigma ST values 2.5 Newton per mm square. Bending compression values sigma CBC 7 Newton per mm square. Direct compression sigma CC 5 Newton per mm square. Average bond tau BD for plain bar in tension 0.8 Newton per mm square. For M25 direct tension sigma ST 3.2 Newton per mm square. Bending compression sigma CBC 8.5 Newton per mm square. Direct compression sigma CC 6 Newton per mm square. And average bond tau BD for plain bars in tension 0.9 Newton per mm square. For grade of concrete M30 direct tension sigma ST 3.6 Newton per mm square. Bending compression sigma CBC 10 Newton per mm square. Direct compression sigma CC 8 Newton per mm square. And average bond tau BD for plain bars in tension 1 Newton per mm square. For grade of concrete M35 direct tension sigma ST 4 Newton per mm square. Bending compression sigma CBC 11.5 Newton per mm square. Direct compression sigma CC 9 Newton per mm square. Average bond tau BD for plain bars in tension 1.1 Newton per mm square. For grade of concrete M40 direct tension sigma ST 4.4 Newton per mm square. Bending compression sigma CBC 13 Newton per mm square. Direct compression sigma CC 10 Newton per mm square. Average bond tau BD for plain bars in tension 1.2 Newton per mm square. These are the values. This table we can also keep in mind. For direct tension we just added 0.4 continuously. 2.8, 3.2, 3.6, 4, 4.4. Also, in bending compression, we can add 1.5, 7, 7 plus 1.5, 8.5, 8.5 plus 1.5, 10, 10 plus 1.5, 11, 11.5, 11.5 plus 1.5. In direct compression, we can added 1, but in case M30 we can add 2. And for average bond turbidity, we can add continuous 0.1, 0.8 plus 0.1, 0.9, 0.9 plus 0.1, 1. This we can keep in mind. From the values of the permissible stresses and the respective characteristic strength for different grade of concrete, it may be seen that the factor of safety of concrete in direct tension, bending compression, direct compression are and average bond for plain bars in tension are from 8.5 to 9.5, 3, 4 and from 25 to 35 respectively. Permissible stresses in steel. Permissible stresses in steel, reinforcement for different grade of steel, diameters of bar and the types of stress in steel reinforcement are given in table 22. This is in table 22 in called Indian Standard 456 2000. Selective values of permissible stresses of steel of grade Fe 250, which is mild steel, and Fe 415 high yield strength deformed bars in tension, sigma St and sigma Sh, and compression in column sigma Sc are furnished in table 13.2 as a ready reference. It may be noted from the values of table 13.2 that the factor of safety in steel for these stresses is about 1.8, much lower than concrete due to high quality control during the production of steel in the industry in comparison to preparing of concrete. This is the table for mild steel and high yield strength deformed bar. Type of steel, types of stresses in steel reinforcement. Tension sigma St and or sigma SS up to 20 mm diameter and 20 mm diameter. Mild steel bars, stresses value 140 Newton per mm square, and for high yield strength deformed bars 230 Newton per mm square. Over 20 mm diameter mild steel bars, for mild steel bars 130 Newton per mm square, and for HYSD bars 230 Newton per mm squares. These values are for tension. For compression in column bars sigma SC, which is denoted by sigma SC. The values for mild steel bars 130 Newton per mm square, and for HYSD bars 190 Newton per mm square. This is the diagram for singly reinforced section. This is the beam which width, this is the beam which width B, depth capital D, and effective depth small d. And these are the reinforcing bar. Second, strain diagram, and third, stress diagram. For compression side, strain values, maximum values equal to sigma CBC upon EC, and natural depth, which is denoted by X, equal to K into D, and in tension equal to sigma ST upon ES. And for stress distribution, maximum in compression side sigma CBC, and in tension sigma CBC 1 minus K upon K, and lever arm, which is denoted by JD, equal to 1 minus K by 3 bracket 1 multiplied by D. This is the flexural members singly reinforced sections. This diagram helps in analysis of singly reinforced beams. A simply supported beam subject to 2 points loads shall have pure moment and no shear in the middle third zone, as shown in figure. The cross sections of the beam in this zone are under pure flexural. Figures show the cross section of a singly reinforced beam, strain profile and stress distribution across the depth of the beam respectively due to the loads applied on the beam. Most of the symbols are used in earlier relation. The new symbols are explained. X equal to KD, K into D, equal to depth of the neutral axis, where K is a factor. Sigma CBC, actual stress of concrete in bending compression at the top fiber, which should not exceed the respectively permissible stress of concrete in bending compression, sigma CBC. FST, actual stress of steel at the level of centroid of steel, which should not exceed the respective permissible stress of steel in tension, sigma ST. JD, which is the lever arm, equal to D bracket 1 minus K by 3 bracket close. JD denoted by lever arm. that is the distance between lines of action of total compressive and tensile forces C and T. C and T, compression and tension respectively. Figures and C show the linear strain profile and stress distribution respectively. However, the values of the stress at the level of centroid of steel is Fst by m due to the transformation of steel into equivalent concrete of area, which is m into AST. AST is area of steel, and m, which is modular ratio. Balanced section for singly reinforced beam. In balanced section, x b बराबर, which is denoted by neutral axis, equal to kb into d, and maximum values compression side sigma cbc upon ec, and tension side sigma st upon es, and in stress distribution, in compression side maximum sigma cbc, and tension side sigma cbc bracket 1 minus kb bracket close divided by kb. In a balanced cross section, both FCBC and FST reach their respectively permissible values of sigma CBC and sigma ST at the same time, as shown in figure. The depth of neutral axis is XB equal to KB into D. From the stress distribution of figure, we have sigma ST upon M equal to sigma CBC bracket 1 minus KB bracket close divided by KB. This is equation number 1. An expression of KB is obtained by substituting the expression of M. M is the modular ratio. This values we can choose from the code IS 456-2000, which is M equal to 280 divided by 3 sigma CBC. This is equation number 2. Into equation 1, this gives KB equal to 93.3 upon sigma ST plus 93.3. Equation 3 show that the value of KB for balanced section depends only on sigma ST. It is independent of sigma CBC. The lever arm sigma JBD equal to 1 minus KB by 3 bracket close multiply by D, which is effective depth. The expression of total compressive and tensile forces C and T are C equal to 1 by 2 into sigma CBC into B into XB equal to 1 by 2 sigma CBC into B into KB into D. Equation number 5. T equal to AST into sigma ST. This is equation number 6. The total compressive force is acting at a depth of XB by 3 from the top fiber of the section. The most moment of resistance of the balanced cross section MB is obtained by the taking moment of the total compressive force C about the centroid of steel or moment of the tensile force T about the line of action of the total compressive force C. Thus, moment of resistance of the balanced cross section, which is denoted by MB, equal to C bracket JB into D bracket close, equal to, we can put here the values of C, which is 1 by 2 sigma CBC into KB into JB. Then 1 by 2 sigma CBC into KB into JB and into BD square. MB बराबर for tension, MB बराबर T into JB into D, which is sigma ST into AST into JB into D. AST equal to PT, percentage of tension, into B into D divided by 100, where PT for percentage of steel for balanced section. From equation 7 and 8 we can write MB बराबर RB into BD square. This is equation number 10, where RB बराबर half into sigma CBC into KB into JB equal to PT divided by 100 into sigma ST into JB, where JB equal to 1 minus KB by 3. This is equation number 12. The expression of the balanced percentage of steel is obtained by equating the total compressive force C to the tensile force T from equation 5 and 6. This gives AST into sigma ST equal to sigma CBC divided by 12 into B into KB into D, which gives percentage of steel PT B into D by 100 into sigma ST equal to sigma CBC divided by 2 into B into KB into D, और PT बराबर 50 KB into sigma CBC by sigma ST. Thank you.